Hi guys, this is Isa again, and in this video I will give you instructions on how to move your pages around your planner, how to copy and paste them so that you can use the extra spreads provided. There is another video giving you a complete overview of the Color Planner version 2. I will leave a link for that below in the description, so make sure to check that out as well. Well, first thing, to use these links, you just have to click on the icon or the link itself, and it's gonna ask you if you want to follow this link. You just click yes, and that's gonna open your browser so you can see the web page. All right, we're gonna go through all of these little questions here. The covers, we saw that already. If you want to add extra pages, for example, let's say I want to have my August layouts, and then here before the first week I would like to have a dotted spread. So the way we would do that, you go to your dotted spread right here, you click on the 4 squares, we need to select edit, tap on that page, bottom left select copy, then that page is copied, hit done, then go back to August because that's where you wanted to place it, click on the 4 squares again, now click on the plus sign on the top left, and where you want to place the spread you will find a plus sign over there, so it's this one. Select paste copied pages, click done, and you have this spread. Alright, remember that you can also just scroll and you can kind of see where everything is. So let's say I want to add another spread like that after October, and I can see right here it says October, so that's an option. Instead of like getting out and clicking on October, you can just use this little visual guide to find it, and then once you locate the place, click again on the plus sign, and then you can paste copied pages again. When you're done, hit done, get out of here. Let's see, August, and there's our spread. So that's how you copy and add pages, and anytime you click on this button on the top right, you will still have your blank dotted spread. Alright, so the next question we had is about the widgets. If you click on the top right corner of the page where the clip is, that's going to take you to this page. Then just click on widgets and you have access to your widgets. I want to give you a tip here. If you go back to your files and you duplicate this planner file, I'm going to do that right now to show you. So on the top right corner of the page, select edit, tap on the planner, and select duplicate. That's gonna make an exact copy of the whole planner. When it's done, hit done. Now you can see that this one says, it has a 2 because it's a copy of the actual planner. So I'm gonna rename that, and I'm gonna say widgets, and you're gonna see in a second why. Alright, then we click there, go to your squares, and now what I want to do is delete all the pages that are not the widgets, and the quickest way to do that, instead of tapping on each single page, I'm just gonna select here where it says select all, and that's gonna select every single page of the document. And let's see, I want only to keep the widget pages, so I will deselect those, and to do that I will just tap on each one of these, and that's only like a few pages compared to selecting the ones that I want to delete. So as you can see, the rest are still selected. Then select trash, move 114 pages to trash. Alright, hit done. And what that did is now you have a document of only the widgets. And I will show you in a little bit why that is helpful, and that's also the reason why I had the sticker book separate this time. In the previous version of the planner, the stickers came at the end of the planner. Alright, so we go back to the planner. Here, let's find my page, July, for example. And if I want to use the widgets, now I can just click on my widgets tab, which I'm gonna move over here to the left. And these work the same way as the stickers, really. So what you have to do is draw a small circle inside one of the widgets, tap, copy, go to your planner, tap anywhere on the page, tap and hold, and select paste. And then you can move around your widget. This is the area where you can insert as many as they fit. You can, of course, resize them, make them smaller, then you would fit more. For example, if you would like to make them tiny like this, you can duplicate this one I mean, this might be too small. However, in GoodNotes, you can really zoom in. So you could write here. For example, if you were gonna use this as a schedule, you know, it's possible. This is just to show you that really you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna show you some examples of how you can use these ones. For example, here, this is the different configurations that you can use them. This is another example that I created. Everything that you see here is either included in the download. For example, this is the font that is also included in the planner. I'm gonna leave a link for how to install and use fonts in your iPad. This is a sticker that is included in the sticker book. This is a widget. This little calendar that you see here is just a screenshot of my calendar, you know, included in the iPad, because this planner starts in July and I wanted to use it already in June, so that's why I just copied this one. But you will get months for all of the months included in the planner, so you get these little widgets. Alright, so these are awesome because when you come here, for example, to your week, but you still want to see all of the days of the month, you know, you can do that here. And then you would add, for example, let's say this little notes widget. And then here you can see and start planning ahead. For example, you can see that the 2nd of July is a Monday, so you can say Monday, July 2nd, and you can start, you know, planning for the coming days without needing to get out of this week. You can also obviously scroll right and see the week, but you know, it's just options for you to customize the planner to plan as best suits you. Okay, so that's for the widgets. This last part, I will give you a quick example of what you can use it for. If we copy one of these sticky notes and we duplicate it, I'm gonna do 7 copies of it. So copy, paste, paste. Let me just delete these ones over here. There. So I have 7 copies of this, and then I can label them. For example, this could be my meals. So you can write down the menu. For example, you can say pasta, and then veggies. And when you're done, then you know that you have this page with all the meals ready. You can then select everything, copy, go to your planner, and either insert it here in your meal planner, or you can go to your pages and, for example, insert it here. You can change this every day, or you could have all of these area with, you know, you can write down here, for example, this is Friday, and then you would have another one of these for Thursday and Wednesday, and so on and so on. Of course, you have room down here in the planner where you could do that, but again, this is just to give you ideas of how you can use the widgets. Alright, the next thing I want to show you is how to use the alternate spreads. So we will go back here to my extras. For example, if I want to use my hour week, and the way that works, it's basically the same as what we did before with the dotted page. So you go to your squares, edit, and copy this page, select done, then you find where you want to use it. For example, if I want to use this before the month of July so that I can start using that this month, alright, then I go to the squares, tap on the plus sign, paste copied pages, and now I have a weekly spread undated before July. Okay, so then here I would just write down the dates, which I don't know what they are right now, but I think this could be 18, 19, with prettier numbers if you want, and so on and so on. And the same thing for the daily spread. If you want to use this for every day, then you would have to copy it and insert it, for example, right after this weekly spread. So plus sign, paste copied pages, paste copied pages. You can repeat this 7 times. And once you have all of those 7 copies, then the easier way to keep copying them, for example, if you want to use them for the whole month, is you edit, and now instead of just selecting one, you select a bunch at a time, and then you hit copy. Done. And if you want to continue inserting those pages, now you say paste, and then you paste a bunch of pages instead of one only. So that's how you can do it faster. One last tip I wanted to give you is, for example, if you're in this spread and then you fill out all of these areas and then you want to copy this spread to use it for the next month. So again, go to your squares, you would copy this page, done, add it right after this page, paste copied pages. Okay, so as you can see, that copied whatever text or information you had saved on the page. So we go hit done and we go out here. As you can see, I have 2 copies, including all of this text. You know, they're exactly the same. And the reason this is useful is, let's say I filled out this page, but now I want a new page for the current month. However, I want it to be linked to this link over here. So then you have what you did before, it's saved here, and you can confidently delete everything that's in this spread. So click on the top right corner on the 3 dots where it says clear page, and it asks you again, because you know you could have a lot of stuff here, clear page, and this will delete any text, any images, any stickers that you have used. So that way you have a brand new page for the month, but you can keep what you did before. And this is a comfortable way of still having quick access to this spread. Alright, I think that's it for this video. I hope that this covers some of the questions you may have. I hope it gives you a good idea of how you can use it. If I have forgot something, please let me know in the comments below and I will get back to you as quick as possible. Don't forget to subscribe because I keep uploading tutorials on how to best use your digital planner. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.